TV emergency. But not for me, but for my boyfriend. See you later. Hospital room tour. Here are some sink. Here you can get inside.
She will get a ride. Only $10. You take a picture.
No, video. Room tour. It looks like in a hotel.
How big is that?
Look, this big.
How big is that thing that pulls out? Tiny?
This big.
You're gonna have to put that in there. If need be. This is a nice room. Nicer than Brigham and Warren, I'll tell you that right now.
Funny, right?
Yeah, you can show Mary.
Oh, nice sunset.
Gosh, can you lower the temperature in here? It's 73. It's much too hot.
Words.
Right near the picture.
This?
Mm-hmm.
No. No, not this.
Come in, she can do it if you don't want.
Oh, this I think.
Turn the lights on so you can see. Yeah. I don't think I'd even mind staying here a night or two. Peace and quiet, your own room.
Yeah.
She's got a full bed.
I could sleep here.
It's not necessary. I don't want you to be comfortable at home.
So hard. And it's long enough.
Oh yeah. Good.
Ew. Ew.
This is my script. I'm sweating. So I can calm down.
Yeah.
I knew she was on the call when we were waiting in that room. She found the room. Did you see Daniel Farber from over there?
Some building there, but I don't know which one. Or maybe here. And roof is wet, maybe it was raining. It's raining actually.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they set up until 9 o'clock, so I told you to bring your umbrella.
Yeah.
Plus you got your hat like that too, right?
Hat. Your hat?
No, your hat.
I have mine, but
I know you do.
it's nicer room than in Brickham.
There was trash in here?
There.
Don't film me, film you.
I film myself, look.
That flips up?
Yeah. That's why visiting hours might be not till 8.
Who knows?
He said that till 8 entrance main is closed. I mean after 8, so if I go out from here after
Emergency.
8 I have to go through emergency.
Just follow the signs.
Yeah. chicken sandwich.
Payment is offered pediatric nurse Melissa
Chicken salad.
$100,000 for 20%, contingent on a licensing deed. Kevin has offered $250,000 for 25%, contingent on her leaving her job as a nurse to work full-time on her vibrating baby.
Hello guys, I'm in Wheezy. Alone. What's it's called?
What?
This meal.
This right here?
This.
Chicken masala.
Nice.
Go get a plate next door.
I was walking through icy streams that took my breath away, moving slowly through westward water over glacial plains, and I walked off you, and I walked off an old me. Oh my, I thought it was a dream, so it seemed. And I breathe deep, I'm in heaven. You never stand between, leave me be, I'm exhaling. You never stand between, ooh, 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 ooh. You never stand between, ooh, 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 ooh. Cut my hair so I could rock back and forth without thinking of you. Learn to talk and say whatever I wanted to.
Fireworks. Because it's some parade. So look guys. Nice fireworks.
And I walked off you, and I walked off an old me. Oh me, oh my, I thought it was a dream, so it seemed. And I breathe deep, I'm in heaven. You know stand between, leave me be, I'm exhaling. You know stand between, ooh, 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 ooh. You know stand between, ooh, 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 ooh.
from hospital. Nice day. Nice meal.
Excuse me.
He's going today.